It's almost payday, but you're a little short. A quick infusion of $50 will help you make it, but you may be wondering, what app can give me $50? Well, the short answer is you have plenty of options. Try this list of $50 instant loan apps. $50 instant loan apps are far superior to payday loans because they typically don't come with interest charges or hidden fees. Keep reading for the best $50 loan apps you can access right now and make it until payday a different way. Number 1. Albert. Limit $250. Fee $0. Benefits: automatic savings and investment options. No interest. No late, overdraft or maintenance fees. No credit check. You can borrow up to $250 from Albert without a credit check. The only thing you have to do is link to your bank account, and in 2 to 3 business days you can receive the funds. If you need the money yesterday, you can pay a small fee for an instant transfer, which typically takes a few hours. In addition, Albert offers automatic savings plans based on your income, bills, and spending habits, as well as investment options that start at just $1. Use budgeting to track your bills and spending, and you might just find some hidden savings. Number 2. Branch. Limit 50% of earned wages. Fee $0. Benefits: no credit check required. Can receive money in 1 to 3 days. No interest or fees. Branch is an instant pay app available for free through employers in several industries, including trucking and logistics, retail, restaurants, healthcare, and more. If your company offers it, you can get access to up to 50% of your pay that you've earned. With Branch, that money goes into a digital wallet instead of your bank account, and you can use it any way you see fit. The app is particularly attractive to independent contractors because they can get paid instantly after finishing a job, and there are flexible options to access that money. Number 3. Bridget. Limit $250. Fees free, plus plan option is $9.99 per month. Benefits: budgeting tools. Access to savings on things such as car insurance. Budgeting tools. No credit check, interest, or upfront deposit. More than 4 million members use Bridget to access up to $250 of their paid early. In addition, the app serves as a budgeting tool to help you build your credit score and monitor your financial health. If the app sees your bank account is about to go into a negative balance, it can even make an automatic deposit. Users also get access to special savings on things such as car insurance and personal loans. You link the app to your bank account, and the amount of money you can get depends on your banking history. Number 4. Chime. Limit $20 to $200. Fee $0 monthly maintenance, foreign transaction, interest, or transfer. Benefits: get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Cash advances available up to $200. No minimum balance requirement. No credit check. With Spotman, get anywhere from $20 to $200 instantly with the Chime checking account. You'll get a Chime checking account and Visa debit card, plus a Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card, along with FDIC insurance for up to $250,000. At first, you'll only be able to get a cash advance of $20, but Chime might increase that amount based on your banking history and spending habits. Number 5. Clear. Limit $20 to $100. Fee $0 for basic plan, $5.99 per month for Clear Plus, and $14.99 per month for Clear Builder. Benefits: no interest. Features to help with financial decisions. No credit check. Wondering what app will let me borrow $100? Or what app will let me borrow $20? Clio can do both. The app lets users borrow from $20 to $70, as well as budget, build credit, and save. Once you have paid back your loans on time, you might be able to increase your borrowing amount to $100. You must link your bank account, and Clio will review your transactions and give you advice on how to better manage your finances. It typically takes 1 to 3 days to get your money. Number 6. Dave. Limit $500 with extra cash. Fee $1 monthly. Benefits: no credit check. Use of a MasterCard with Dave Debit MasterCard. No late fees or interest. If you want to know what apps let you borrow money immediately, fintech banking app Dave is your answer. You can access up to $500 instantly with its Extra Cash program and spend it instantly with your Dave Debit MasterCard. All you do is have your paycheck deposited into your Dave account, and that amount is taken from your check on your next payday. You'll pay $1 each month to use the app, but that's the only fee you'll pay unless you request an instant transfer. Using an instant $50 loan app is a great alternative to predatory payday loans, but it's important to find the right app for your financial situation.